Hey, hello, dosto. I hope that you all are fine. So today, my topic is regard to this concept. ECR and OTCP is found against member ID. So you may ask me, okay, that I'm unable to dealing my PF account. What should I do in this case? I didn't join this organization. I didn't attended the induction part. I just gave an interview, got selected, and submitted Aadhaar, okay, and other documents, okay. But post after 1 month, okay, give an interview in another organization, and I came to know that my background verification got failure due to this PF account added, and they are asking me to clarify regard this service. I didn't join. I could not able to join because I got a better opportunity. So what should I do? So this video is for you. I know that there are many people who are suffering with these issues. Okay, they are not getting any response from PF office, from company. Okay, there is multiple grievance as well, but there is no outcome. Okay, there is no solution. But today I'll be explaining you what needs to be done. So this video is very important for you. If you want a consultation with regard to this topic, you can do that. You can contact us, and I would love to announce that if you contact us through this channel, okay, we will give you 50% discount on a consulting charges. Okay, so this is one of the biggest announcement, and in every videos of mine, I'm giving an offer. And if you wish, you contact us, otherwise no problem. The consulting charges is very less, and we'll explain you the legitimate process. It doesn't mean okay that we will assist to do this, do raise grievance and all, okay, then nothing. But I'll give you the solution. And it doesn't mean that it will delete from this portal. It will never ever delete from this portal. Even the contribution is available, even if the contribution is not available, you may face same error, because there is some technical issues going on. First thing. Second thing, I have seen many cases wherein there is no contribution. There is the passbook is even not available, but still you are unable to dealing. You're getting the same error, okay, which I have shown you here, okay, that you may see. So now the questions is, what should I do? Contact us if you want a consultation. If you can pay, then contact. Otherwise, you may watch our videos. No problem. Thank you so much. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Okay.